Hello, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisory Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So I want to review the resume versus the CV. A lot of people think they are interchangeable and similar documents, and they have similarities, but they have some notable differences as well, and I want to review those. So the word resume is actually French, but the resume is an American document. It's what United States citizens use to apply to American companies and sometimes American companies overseas. The resume has no set standard length, but studies show that readership interest really drops off after the second page. So while you might have a 4, 5, 6, 10-page resume, understand that the person who's looking at your resume probably won't look past the second page. American recruiters will really look at your skills and your most recent position. Those are the two things that American recruiters are really most interested in. In America, we also have CVs, but CVs are specifically for applying to academic positions, applying for research positions, applying to law firms, applying to the science community, because they want to know more about projects, publications, presentations, dissertations, that kind of thing. So the CV can be longer in that instance. They can be any length, but that's particularly for those fields. The CV overseas, for everybody else in the world outside the United States, those can be any length and usually include a picture, a bio, more personal information at the top. Note that American resumes do not include a picture. They do not include that bio information at the top. I hope this was useful information for you. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need help applying these concepts, just click on the link in the description and we will be glad to help you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.